Today we are going to talk about where condition in KQL. Where is basically used to filter a bigger set of data into a more smaller subset of data. And we'll also learn what are the different ways where we can apply where condition to make our queries better and efficient. Now, to do that, we will start typing with sign in logs where. So where just sits after a pipeline as a condition, and what we could do is we would say where time generated greater than echo 1D, right? And if we want to run this query, so once we run this query, what happens is it is going to filter on 1-day back data and going to display this to us. And you can see there's a huge data set coming in 1 day. Now, what if we want to add a condition? So as we are using a where clause here, we are allowed to put any conditions like and time generated, and I'd say less than echo 12 hours. And once we do so and run the query, we should see uh, the data will be shown to us was between 24 hours excluding the latest 12 hours. So with that we can actually filter it a bit more, and we can keep on adding and condition as and when needed, right? Maybe we can add another user condition saying that user principal name contains summit. So basically what will happen here is it will apply filter with two conditions on where. Now we will wait for the result to come in and we can see the results here. Now what it also do is we can apply the same where condition in the next line and run the same query. So if we look at, there are multiple where condition which can be written in the same query, and after a pipeline each where condition will apply on the previous data set, right? Now this was about using where condition on a data set. Now what if we really want to search something across the data sets, right? So what you do is we can take union and we will take sign in logs and comma office activity and put a where condition, and we can actually do a wildcard. So basically it will search all the columns which is available in sign in logs as well as office activity, and then we'd say has, and we have picked up one particular ID which is possibly the ID here. So we save it here and try to run this. Now this ID is belonging to some of the GUID fields in sign-in logs and office activity, and I will wait for the query to come in, and as you can see the query has come in, and because it's in the resource ID that has appeared from sign-in logs, and if I try to filter out the category, it will also show something wherein all the fields wherever we have this ID present. So that was about this where condition, which can be used more than once on a particular data set, or maybe used multiple times on a single data set to fine tune it multiple times, or can also be used as a wildcard search across multiple data sets.